Hi, I'd like to show you a gardening hack test that I'm about to do to show you how to plant your zucchini and get them germinated and going a lot faster, especially if you're doing like me, planting them in August for a fall harvest. Now these only take about 45 to 65 days to grow, and we still have about another 70 days before the first frost, but they take 10 to 14 days to germinate. And I want to cut that in half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half the seeds and I'm going to cut the ends of the seeds off, just like this here. So take a look at that, what I've done. I've cut the ends off. So I'm going to plant half of them with the ends still there and half of them with the ends cut off. The ones that are cut off should germinate in half the time. So I'll come back when they start to sprout and I'll show you the results. Okay, it's been about a week now, so let me show you the results of my little test that I did with the zucchini. These are the ones that I didn't cut the seeds. You can see they're coming up pretty good. Problem I had during the week is that the squirrels kept on digging it up. Just about every day they were digging it up. In fact, when I came out here to check up on these, they were in here already. So are you ready to see the ones that I cut the seeds with, the end of the seeds? That's right, not one of them grew. So I've been told that if you cut the ends of the seeds, they'll grow faster, at least with watermelon and some other things, but with zucchini, it didn't seem to work that way. That's cutting the seeds, the end of the seeds, so they can grow faster, supposedly. And this is just planting the seeds normally. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zucchini growing. And this one here is, oops, I think that one got dug up completely by the squirrels. So instead it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll have a chance to have some fall zucchini after all. Hope you enjoyed the test. If you'd like to see more comparisons like this, let me know in the description below. And if you've had any experience with cutting the end of your seeds, let me know. I'd love to hear what's happened with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.